Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this PowerPak jump starter and work light made by OEMTools, model number 24672 from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this will be included in the video description. This has a 12,000 milliamp battery. Beyond its use as a work or safety lights, it can also be used as a charging station for smaller electronic devices such as a smartphone. It can even be used to jumpstart your vehicle. Its jump-starting power peaks at 400 cranking amps, so it can be used on most vehicles, recreational vehicles, motorcycles, etc. I have used this on my Dodge Ram, equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 during the cold months to boost the old battery without any issues, and the lawn tractor in the summer. Included in the box is a smart cable to boost the battery, instructions, wall charger, and finally a power pack. As you can see, we have the typical green and black OEMTools color scheme on the exterior. The outer case is made from a durable plastic. There is a large work light at the front which has multiple functions, a flashlight on the bottom. This also has different modes. The black outer shell on the flashlight is a magnetic base, so it can be mounted on ferrous surfaces. Clearly labeled is quick reference instructions on the back side, a rubber cover which protects the jump starter port, 2 USB ports, a DC port in and a DC port out. And finally, at the top is a retractable hook so light can be hung up. The power button controls all the features of the light. First will be illuminating the charge indicator. This has 4 levels. Pressing it again will illuminate the 480 lumen work light, and this has a runtime of 8 hours. Next is the red hazard or flare light for when you're in an emergency situation such as being stranded on the side of the road, and finally is a strobe function using the red flare. Continuing to cycle through the power button control, the 60 lumen flashlight will illuminate. Next is a flashing feature, and finally an SOS. Here we have smart jumper cables. This has a module which automatically senses for any faults to keep you safe and prevent any damage. It includes both an audible beep and a light which will either indicate when it's ready to be used, standby mode, reverse polarity, or if the battery is excessively low. There is an override button if the battery is too low that you're boosting. Positive and negative clamps are clearly outlined. They have copper jaws, along with a connection between each side of the jaws to ensure a solid connection. Plugging in the cables is fairly straightforward. The plug is designed in such a way so it connects in one orientation. Once connected, there will be an audible beep along with a blue flashing light, meaning you're in standby mode. Connecting to the power pack is straightforward. Red connects to the positive terminal and black connects to the negative terminal. I do have a tutorial specifically for this using the PowerPak for boosting over on my Facebook page, so if you're seeking more details on the process, be sure to check it out. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with the versatility and quality of this unit. This has been used at home when the power is out. At an elevated position, it can illuminate a large dark room very well, and it's much safer than using candles. With its compact design, it doesn't take up much space, so it can be easily stored in your vehicle. Certainly great for anyone on long commutes, traveling, or camping. The magnetic base can be mounted on your vehicle's body so you don't have to worry about the light falling off. The smooth exterior design is easy to keep clean and can be cleaned easily if it's exposed to any dirt. It has an IP57 rating, meaning it does have some protection against small dust particles and is resistant to water splashes from various angles. Beyond personal recreational use, it's well suited for professionals in the field too. Have you purchased this product? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below to help out fellow viewers. New videos are released every week on my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.